MeghalayaPost.news.
Kipai Hindu hapok katai Nongpoh mentakasngi kila Pynkut no ya ka Lehniam Durga Puja da kaba kila alai Ban Bret ya ki Blei ha kawa Umtrew ha banihan kumbala sakhi da ki hajar ngot kipai Hindu kila isimenta ha kaba Pynkut no ya ka Lehniam Durga Puja ban let Bret ya ki Blei kabade kat kum ka jinget jungki ban pan ka jingker khu gordo na Blei na ka benta ka bha kamiat bar ka syongsuk syongsan ki bade lingba ka jingker khu Blei Durga Puja jungki la sakhi ru bagi pajba Hindu kila isimenta ha ka ni jing Lehniam ban let Bret Blei ringkat ka yarwai ka siang bat kaput ketem ban pen sengom ha ya ke Blei jungki ke bakinget ban yo ya kata ke jingker ku gerdo lingba ke ni ke jing Lehniam Durga Puja na kaliang kinong Lehniam ka puja komiti bakentup na kara mandir komiti bat kama kali mandir komiti Nongpoh kila ai ke Blei kerpang ya barok ki pajba Hindu bat kemjuk ru ki bor Senong bat ki bor distrik ki bala kersan lang bat khamtam bakila ala ban pendep ya ke ni ke Lehniam Durga Puja na ke basuk basan badru bakila ala ban pendep ya kata ke jing Lehniam ban Bret di kita ki Blei ke balong kat kum ke niam korkom juki
Hindu society Nongpoh ni ko awan ai kublai ya boro mar kila yarap yang ni la dan cibun ki jing yarap bungio na dong sedong ban celebrate ya kan Durga Puja jongi ni boro ni ko awan ai kublai ro ya ki pulit Nongpoh mar ya USP ro mar ya ki local brio ro local ki ye parlok parjoro ko awan ai kublai ro ya MLA jongi ba meralbon iro ilawan ai jing kasani yang ni hagatu ga ni Durga Puja jongi dan naliang jongi kene Durga Puja kala ayat bha bat umdan kono ka jing thot tengi kimen bha bat muntas ni kadi kisni bakadu bangiwan hangne ban le visarjan jongi ma ane ha bornihat bat lenti bangiwan ro umdan jing thot ere naliang jongi bor ka Nongpoh na ka Hindu jing Nongpoh bor ko weng ko ban ai kublai bor.
All media friends who have come to cover the immersion day today. As we know, today is the 10th day and the last day of our Puja celebration, Durga Puja, this year 2024. And we are celebrating this Puja every year. We have come from Nongpoh. We have Mandir in Nongpoh, Sri Ram Janki Mandir. We have come for immersion, the Puja that we had in Ram Janki Mandir here. And you can see the people here, how they are happy, they are enjoying. And I want to tell you that this immersion day is the day of victory against all evils. We understand today in this world, everywhere you see there is problem, there is evils happening. People are sick, people are in tension, people are always in problems. So this puja and this particularly today the immersion day, it shows that today, from today, Goddess Durga will bless all of us, all the people here, okay, including in our river district as well as all Meghalaya and the whole humanity as a whole. And we will be free from all evils, and this is a sign of victory of peace against all evils that are prevailing in the world today. Thank you very much.
MeghalayaPost.news.